Citronella essential oil, with its uplifting scent, can reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and calming the mind and body. Its citrusy scent aids in calming the mind, allowing individuals to pause, release negative feelings, and improve their mood for the day. Citronella essential oil, rich in methyl isoeugenol, inhibits bacterial growth, aiding in wound infections, colon, urethra, urinary bladder, stomach, intestines, urinary tracts, prostate, kidneys, and fungal infections. Its aromatic scent makes it convenient for daily home use. Citronella oil, with its citrus-like aroma, is used in deodorants and body sprays to remove body odor. It can also be mixed with bathwater for a refreshing experience. Its scent is not only pleasing but also helps eliminate odor-causing bacteria in the air, making it a safe and easy-to-use deodorizer for everyday use. Citronella oil, with its antifungal properties, can be used as a safer, natural alternative to harsh cleaning chemicals. It can be applied to surfaces either by adding caps to cleaning water or spraying directly. This oil's anti-inflammatory and deworming properties effectively eliminate worms and microbes from the stomach and intestines, soothe stomach linings, restore balance in food poisoning cases, encourage urine production, and boost appetite through digestion. Citronella oil has been found to accelerate wound healing, especially in diabetics, as wounds tend to heal slower due to their condition. Its antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties may aid in the faster healing of candida-infected wounds in diabetics, demonstrating its potential to improve overall wound healing. Citronella oil has antifungal properties, helping weaken or destroy certain fungi that cause health problems. It is effective against Aspergillus niger, a common fungus causing lung and sinus infections in people with weakened immune systems. Citronella oil is also a safe and environmentally friendly fungicide. Citronella essential oil boosts energy, combats fatigue, and improves mental clarity and focus, making it an excellent natural pick-me-up option for those seeking a boost. Citronella essential oil's diaphoretic properties enhance sweating, detoxify body, and reduce toxins, promoting a lighter, healthier skin, reduced fever, and protection against certain infections. Citronella essential oil, effective on roundworms and tapeworms, kills intestinal worms, especially in children. It's recommended for mild doses to improve physical and mental growth and nutrient absorption. Its use can significantly enhance quality of life by eliminating these harmful parasites. Citronella essential oil's increased urination frequency and quantity offer numerous benefits, including removing waste substances and toxins from the body, reducing weight, eliminating urinary system infections, freeing the body from toxins, reducing renal calculi, rheumatism and arthritis. Citronella oil is a potent insect repellent with a strong aroma that masks insect scents, making it an effective alternative to chemical-based repellents. It creates a protective shield against mosquitoes and flies when applied topically or in candles and diffusers. Citronella essential oil, with its lemony scent, can help relieve stress and boost mood. It also has antidepressant and anti-anxiety properties. Aromatherapy can be practiced by adding a few drops to diffusers or vaporizers, inhaling the aroma, which can provide a refreshing and uplifting experience. Citronella essential oil is a calming and adaptogenic oil that promotes relaxation and sleep, particularly beneficial for insomniacs. Its calming scent reduces tension, improves mood, and regulates serotonin, reducing anxiety symptoms. It also provides a fresh, happy feeling. Citronella oil is a potent anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and pain-relieving substance used to alleviate pain in arthritis and joint pain. It also acts as a natural vasodilator, treating cramps, muscle spasms, sore muscles, and neuralgia. It can also alleviate inflammation caused by drug side effects, excessive alcohol or narcotic use, hard food, diseases, or toxic elements. Citronella oil, when diluted, can be used topically to soothe skin irritations, redness, and itchiness from insect bites or skin conditions. Its anti-inflammatory properties alleviate discomfort and promote faster healing. Insects and bugs carry viruses, bacteria, and microbes that can cause food contamination, rashes, fever, and hallucinations. Some can cause lethal diseases like dengue, malaria, chikungunya, and yellow fever. Citronella oil, with potent antibacterial properties, is a remedy for all types of insects, including mosquitoes, head lice, and fleas.